what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. This wig is the one, y'all. This is the one. If you are looking for a short curly wig, if you are looking for any type of curly wig, if you are looking for a wig, period, y'all need to check this wig out. It's so natural looking. It is so beautiful. I am so obsessed with these curls. Just, oh my gosh. I just had to say that before I started this video. Welcome to my channel. My name is 𝐏𝐫𝐞. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. Yes, it's a wig. It's not my hair. I know you thought it was my hair, but it's a wig. This wig is from Myfirstwig. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a 13x6 lace front wig. The length is 14 inches. The density is 160%. It was created using air lace. The texture is Poppin curls. The hairline is literally perfect straight out of the package. The knots are so tiny and invisible. The knots have been deep bleached for us, so we don't have to do any extra work. And the hairline is a very natural and realistic looking density. So the first thing that I'm going to do is tint the lace. I'm grabbing two different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation, and now I'll be spraying that on the under portion of the lace around the hairline. Then I'll be grabbing the color of my scalp or something close to the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that shade on the inner portion of the lace frontal. I'm doing two different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer, and that's going to create a custom color match. This step is always optional. You do not have to do this to your wigs. However, I feel like it makes my wigs look so much more natural because it blends in with my makeup, and I don't wear any wig caps, so this just helps it look like a scalp underneath the wig instead of just being black because my hair is black. You know what I'm saying? So yes. Here are our Poppin curls straight out of the package with no product on the hair at all. I'm going to style this hair by grabbing my Denman brush and detangling comb, a spray bottle of water, and a curling gel of choice. In small sections, I am going to fully saturate the section with water, then use my detangling comb to detangle through the section. Then I'll be grabbing that curling gel and applying that to the section. Using my Denman brush from the bottoms on upwards, I'm going to get these curls to pop. And then I'm going to follow those steps for the entire head, and I'll come right back when I'm finished. If you are in love with these curls as much as me, hashtag Poppin curls in the comment section. So typically this is the time that I normally grab my diffuser to diffuse through the curls, but these curls are so beautiful, and I want to try like a really sleek and natural looking hairstyle today instead of it being like really big and curly like an afro-esque type of look. So I am going to skip the diffuser and then naturally allow this hair to air dry. Okay, so now it is time to cut away this extra lace. I'm grabbing a pair of scissors and slicing that extra lace down the center to divide the extra lace into two different sections. Then I'll be grabbing a pair of pinking shears and tracing the natural curvature of the hairline. So now that our wig is ready, I'm just going to prep my skin for install. I'm grabbing alcohol and cleaning off my forehead. Then I'll be grabbing scalp protector and applying that to my scalp. So now I'm just going to grab the wig, hold it on its side, and then I'm going to spray some of this adhesive spray. This is Ebin New York's Wonder Lace Bond to the very edge of the under portion of lace. I'm doing one layer of that spray, and then I'm going to blow dry for a few seconds until that adhesive becomes tacky. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in its proper placement and then put my headscarf on for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow everything to set. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab Curl Scrunch, and this is by Garnier Fructis, and my baby hair brush. And I'm basically going to apply this to the hairline, and this is going to get those hairs that have become plastered down onto the lace. It's going to get those hairs to loosen up so that I can fully style the hairline. And for this hairstyle, I do want the hairs to go straight back and make everything look very sleek and polished and neat. So that is what I am doing now. Ooh, y'all, look how this hairline looks. Myfirstwig did an amazing job with this wig, but I am not surprised because all of the wigs that I've ever gotten from Myfirstwig have been amazing. Have you ever tried any wigs from Myfirstwig? Let's chat down below in the comment section. So now I'm just grabbing my pick and I'm going to pick through the roots just to give this hair a little bit more elevation so that it's not just, you know, down on my face. Let's chat everything this wig, the hairstyle, the texture, the curls, the hairline, everything this wig down below in the comment section. So I did play around with a few different hairstyles just to show you guys different options, but this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, so you are able to do so many different hairstyles with it, and with the texture being so beautiful, I can imagine all of the hairstyles that you guys would come up with this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video from Myfirstwig down below in the description box. If you have any questions about this wig, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is 𝐏𝐫𝐞. Hit that subscribe button down below, give this video a huge thumbs up, and comment down below so that I know you stopped by, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, that's right. It's 𝐏𝐫𝐞-𝗠𝘅.